Florida, 3 in the morning, a woman driving her boyfriend's car is stopped for running stop signs. Within minutes, she is arrested for cocaine trafficking.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Hi.
It's just the stop signs, like 6.
I'm sorry, the car scared me when he was running, coming out.
Okay,
I got scared.
I get you. It was like, well, every single one of them, girl.
I ran through every stop sign?
Every single one.
I did?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Girl, you gotta stop. You got a driver's license?
I have my ID on me.
Okay. Does that mean you don't have a driver's license?
Hi.
Ma'am?
Oh, sorry.
Does that mean you don't have a driver's license?
Okay. I have an ID.
Okay.
Right now. Let me call my boyfriend because I'm real scared.
You're scared?
Just a little bit, because you guys scared me. I didn't even know you guys were behind me. I don't have my ID either.
Do you own the vehicle?
It's my boyfriend's car.
Okay.
There's nothing in the car, sir. If you're looking for something.
Just looking, that's all.
No, I'm saying, like, I didn't want you guys to think, guys, I'll put your lights on up there.
1092.
My boyfriend's not answering that.
Okay, well, we don't need to talk to your boyfriend.
No, I need to.
And when was the last time you smoked in the car?
No, one time.
When was the last time you smoked in the car?
Huh?
When was the last time you smoked in the car?
I just woke up.
Okay, that doesn't answer my question. I can smell the weed, and I'm not worried about
come on.
it.
That was long, like hours ago. I just woke up.
Okay, so you just woke up.
Yes, and then I went to the store.
Okay.
I just woke up. Okay. I didn't even smoke weed.
Why are you so high-strung right now?
Huh?
Why are you so, like...
Because you guys are scaring me. You guys, I have bad encounter with the police. Gordon, I literally have a case with him.
Okay. Before you crossed over Dixie, where were you?
Oh, I was on H.
And doing what?
My friend is right there.
Who?
Why?
Because I don't believe you.
No, sir, I can call him right now.
I know, I just told me his name.
Junior.
And he lives where?
On H Street.
H and what?
A?
H and A? 10th and H?
I don't know the street numbers.
You told me you were coming from the store a minute ago, that's why I asked.
I know, but no, I stopped. Okay. I went to the store on the other side, and then I came through H, and then stopped there, then came through.
Okay, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. Usually when somebody's acting this nervous, they're trying to hide something from me.
No, I'm just nervous.
If it's marijuana that you're worried about, I don't care. But I haven't been doing this since yesterday.
I know,
and
but
usually
no, that's not what I'm worried about.
Spam calling people and they're telling me that they don't, that they're nervous and they're talking really
I talk like this anyway.
Okay.
You can ask anybody I've dealt with.
I can tell visibly that you're very nervous, and that makes me believe you might be trying to hide something.
Okay. I don't know. I'm nervous because my boyfriend's not listening.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's 3 in the morning, so. What did Gordon arrest you for?
He driving somebody else's car, and he had hundreds in the car. The dude told him they were his, and he still blamed me for it. So, I don't know.
Step over. All right, step out for me.
What?
The stop is lawful. Under Warren versus United States, any observed traffic violation establishes probable cause. The driver's own admission ends that inquiry. The decisive question is the warrantless search justified by the odor of cannabis. After Florida legalized hemp under Florida Statute Section 581.217, that odor no longer reliably indicates criminal activity. Baxter versus State in 2024 and Williams versus State in 2025 rejected the plain smell doctrine across multiple districts. Florida now generally requires odor plus, the odor combined with additional articulable facts. Here, the officer added nervousness, an inconsistent travel narrative, and a prior drug case. Whether that suffices may decide this case on a motion to suppress.
Step out.
No, can I have a supervisor, please?
Nope, step out of the car.
Oh, no, I need a supervisor.
And if you don't step out of the car, we're going to remove you from the vehicle.
But I need a supervisor, because I don't understand.
We'll get you a supervisor, but right now...
I need a supervisor now, because I've already been roughed up, or a female officer at least.
Ma'am, I'm not going to touch you.
But that's what Gordon said, and I've been beat up.
I'm not going to touch you. Listen to me, I don't want to take you to jail, okay?
I don't want to go to jail either.
If you step out of the vehicle, you're not going to go to jail. Okay? I'm not going to touch you, but I believe there's something inside of the vehicle. So I'm going to search it, and I have probable cause to do so. If you want to meet with the supervisor after that?
Keandra, just step back here with me. Just open the door. Just step back here with me. He's not going to touch you. He's not going to remove you from the car, anything like that.
I know, but can I just have another officer? Because I've been... It's not you guys.
Listen, we don't have a female officer.
Okay, can I have a supervisor?
We'll get you a supervisor.
For somebody.
Right now, you need to listen to what I'm saying.
I know, but you guys don't understand. I've already been...
Keandra, This
beat
isn't
up.
an option, Keandra. I'm not asking you. I'm telling
Okay,
you.
I want a supervisor
will
before I get out.
No,
before
that's
I do
not how
anything.
this goes, Keandra. I'm the police officer, and I'm telling you to exit from the vehicle. You need to exit from the vehicle right now.
This is crazy.
Keandra,
I'm just scared.
Keandra, I'm going to tell you this one more time.
There is no reason to be
I'm
scared.
giving you...
How? If you guys just came out of nowhere.
Keandra.
Okay, my boyfriend's calling. Now I feel better. That's it.
Keandra,
Okay.
I'm giving you a lawful
getting out.
command
I'm getting
to exit
out.
from the vehicle.
Listen, I've been calling you. Why you haven't been answering?
Just step back here.
You didn't. You never. You always do it.
Yeah. Just stand right
Can
here.
you please come? I'm on. I'm right here.
No, he is not. Do not come over.
Okay. I don't know what's happening. I was driving. Okay. Can you please hurry up? I'm scared of that.
He cannot come over.
And they're looking for stuff like I did something. Like you guys. I'm not getting beat up by you guys. That's it. That it just happened the last time. That's why I'm like this.
Keandra, you got arrested for possession of Xanax, right?
No, yes, but it wasn't mine.
What are all these pills?
This is not my car. This always happens.
So
They always
does
find-
your boyfriend carry a purse?
A purse?
Yeah.
No,
He doesn't carry a purse?
but no.
Okay. Well, these were inside of a purse.
What purse?
The purse in the car.
Okay, one of them is mine, but I don't. It's a little.
Oh, I wonder why I smelled weed.
I don't know. This is not my car. I just got up and drove.
Yes, it's gonna be at 10:15. She has about half a pound of weed. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God, this is not my car. What am I getting arrested for?
For trafficking. Cocaine.
Trafficking? What? What do you mean trafficking? What are you talking about?
McNugget, don't move from that car.
Wait, what are you talking about? No. What do you mean?
Somebody get her in a cage car.
Excuse me.
I just
Sir,
told you.
I'm being.
You're gonna talk to the
but I'm
sergeant.
compliant.
You want to see? That's what crack rods look like.
What is that? Sir, this is not. That's not mine. What is? I just woke up to drive it, sir. I didn't even know this is.
What?
Excuse me, sir.
Yo, can one of you guys stand on the street and make sure her boyfriend doesn't come by here? Because allegedly he was on his way. Where's her phone at? Where's her phone? Somebody grab her phone right now. I'm writing on it. The
You don't want it to die?
No, I don't want it to die. I want it off. I'm gonna write a search warrant for it.
You can stay right there. You take another step, you're going to jail.
Yeah, I know. That's what you want me to do. Ha ha, bitch ass.
What?
That cracker. Huh?
What happened?
No, bro, cause you just one of them asshole-ass police officers, just think, oh, you taking one more step, I'm a shit. Come on, just bullshit. Bitch, if I
Alright,
was
but listen,
crazy,
I'll keep it
but
100
listen,
with
if
you.
I was dumb or crazy, nigga would have been, like, I'm not dumb or crazy.
So what are you trying to accomplish?
Wait, no, I'm not trying to accomplish nothing. That's my mom's car, that's my girlfriend.
Alright, so...
Anybody, just like if he had a daughter, a wife, anybody, nigga, you would have came on the scene and see what's going on.
So I'll tell you what's
They
going on.
saying she got cocaine. That is not hers.
Whose is it?
Nigga, that's mine.
It's yours.
That's mine.
And you're gonna confess to having the
I'm confess to having the cocaine.
Where was it in the car?
It was, the weed was in the gut apartment. I think the shit was in her purse.
So where did you put the cocaine?
Yeah. I think I left it in her purse, bro.
It wasn't in her purse.
But no. I don't know if she put it somewhere.
Alright, so I'll tell you what, bro. Look, this is all I'll do.
Bro,
Give
get
one of my partners here your information.
No,
That's
can
not-
you switch her out?
I can't. I
Bitch?
can't do it like that.
How? Put me in here.
Listen,
I'm telling you it's mine, bro. I'm telling you, I knew it all was in there. It's all broke down in little pieces. It's mine, bro.
I appreciate that you're trying to.
Bro, I'm telling y'all some real shit.
But I can't just go off of that.
I'm telling you what the weed was. You found some weed in the gut apartment. You found. She just went to the store, bro.
Give somebody your information, right? And I'll let the state attorney decide.
What?
Yes.
That's
how
some
it goes.
dumbass shit. If
Well,
I'm telling you I don't want that shot this nigga, you gonna tell me, oh, we got a suspect in the car, so we can't arrest you on that.
No.
I'm telling you I did the crime, dumbass nigga.
He's standing over him holding the gun. And that's basically what she was doing here.
What?
She was in the car with the stuff. It wasn't where you.
Cause she went to the store.
I'm sorry, man.
She didn't know nothing about it. It's not her car. How can you charge somebody with somebody that don't know nothing about this shit?
The order to exit is governed by Pennsylvania versus Mimms non-negotiable. No extra justification needed. Refusal generated the resisting charge under Florida Statute Section 843.02. The most consequential issue is constructive possession. The vehicle was not exclusively the driver's. Under Brown versus State, the state must prove knowledge of the contraband and ability to control it. Her acknowledgement that one purse was hers materially strengthens the knowledge element. The boyfriend's roadside confession does not by itself exonerate her. Trafficking falls under Florida Statute Section 893.135. 28 grams of cocaine is a first-degree felony, 3-year mandatory minimum, and a $50,000 fine. Officer grade B-, lawful stop, effective de-escalation, but a doctrinally fragile search. Driver grade D+. She confessed, contradicted herself, and claimed the purse with the contraband. Boyfriend grade F. Ignored instructions, escalated, and confessed on camera to no benefit. Lessons learned. First, under Berkemer versus McCarty, roadside questioning is non-custodial. You may politely decline to answer investigative questions. Second, the duty to exit is absolute. Refusal only adds charges. Third, in a shared vehicle, claiming a container is stipulating to knowledge. Fourth, third parties should never enter active arrest scenes. Hire counsel, never confess. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments. Thanks for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more.
That's stupid.
Right. Have a good night, sir. You know what? We'll take them both. Hold on, we'll take them both.
I swear, you pull her?
Yeah.
2 seconds before you pull her, I just called her. I just woke up my way. Yeah.
So if I track back the camera, she ain't gonna be leaving 9th and G?
She was leaving 9th and G?
I'm asking you, will she be leaving?
I'll tell me that, bro.
Where'd she tell you she was coming from?
The store.
What store? Because her ass pulled out of 10th Avenue South and 8th Street. She said she was at her friend's house, some dude. Junior or something?
This shit is crazy, bro. This is my first time hearing that. He said she was coming from the store.
There ain't no fucking store on 10th Avenue South.
That's what I was saying. I'm like, what the f*** she waiting out here at the motherfucker?